This picture gives us a look at the inside of a basic phone. As you can see, there's really not much to its operation. If you actually took your phone apart, which I don't really recommend, inside it you would see lots of other things like wiring, circuit boards, components, and other strange electrical stuff. However, that stuff is only important to an electrical engineer, or a 10-year-old. As far as basic communication goes, we only worry about what's on this diagram. First, let's take a look at the RJ11 connector that has the tip and ring wires. Today, most telephone cables have 4 wires in 2 pairs, although on a basic phone service, only 2 of the wires are actually used. From the plug, the wires go to the switch hook. The switch is controlled by the receiver being on or off the hook. When the phone is on the hook, and by this I mean not in use, hung up, the wires are connected to the ringer in the phone. Ringers used to sound like a bell, but as you know, today's phones have all sorts of different ringing options. So when the 2 wires are connected to the ringer and someone calls you, an electrical signal is applied to the ringer and the phone rings. When you pick up the receiver, the switch hook connects the 2 wires to the speaker and microphone in the handset. With the wires routed like this, the signals are sent to and from the phone's speaker and receiver, allowing you to communicate. Now you may notice that the speaker wires are also connected to the microphone wires. This allows you to hear what you are saying through the phone. Notice this the next time you're talking on the phone. It's actually a very important function. When the phone is off the hook, the wires are also connected to the dial or pulse tone device. This allows you to dial a number and place a phone call. The dial is still in the circuit even after the call is set up, which is why, even if you're on the phone, the keys beep when you hit them.